probably need Google.
Hey, babe.
What's up?
Say hello to the Deuces family.
Can't talk right now.
Yeah, you have a tough job.
Mad at this. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. It's good everywhere, but in one spot. And going back to, we got brown glue, gray glue, white glue. You can tell he had a leak. He didn't seal it with that rust-proof stuff either, I don't think. See that? You see that? Just what the doctor ordered. Now I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my entertainment center. Hey girl, what you doing?
I'm grouting this backsplash.
Grouting this backsplash. Let me come here and take a look and see what
Look,
you're
I've
doing.
already done this side. Can you see it?
There was a Publix on 2nd Avenue by Wine Village. I can go in there and buy all the shit I want. I'm gonna walk out there, put it over the beat machine.
Now I gotta do this side.
That side's finished. That side's undone. Still gotta put a couple of pieces in. Well, I see what you're doing. What you got? What you doing it with?
I got this from Home Depot. It's the ready to use grout.
Okay.
It comes in a little bucket like this. It's got ready to use. I put it on with my hand, and then I got a sponge.
Okay.
I got a sponge and I'm just wiping it off with. It's my first time grouting, so
Yeah.
I'll let you guys see the finished result.
I'll say you're doing a good job.
Thank you, babe.
No, I mean,
Thank you.
yeah. Well, guys, with this project is coming along. You know, anybody that
a young man out of Villanova
know us, know that we do barbecue and not build vans, but we try. I think we're doing a pretty good job. I'm proud of it. I think you guys gonna like the finishing touches. We some of the other stuff, you know, we cut the bed back. You know, me, I installed TV on yesterday and today. We got the refrigeration in, got my sneaker bar on top, and we're gonna keep this train till going. Look at this van life 2025, the Browns, the Traveling Deuces. We bringing y'all along with us, the Traveling Deuces family. Hope you like this content, and I hope, you know, again, as I said before, that we're encouraging someone to get out, and enjoy yourself. Take a load off your feet. You know, you don't have to do this full time like we do, but just get a break and get away from the, you know, the old hustle and bustle of everyday life. Clarissa on the grout, Traveling the Deuces in the van, but at the same time, you guys go ahead, like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the flip side.
I think I'm gonna tell myself.
Peace. Red might be negative, right? Isn't that what you said? Brown?
Yes.
Because what? Red might be what? What red might be?
Negative. Power going in, guys.
Hey, good morning, Deuces family. I'm gonna go ahead and timestamp this one right here. I'm gonna tell you it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and we are in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And the reason I timestamped this one because we did a little trip in the van that, you know, we've been doing the remodels on, and we got it almost ready. We're not 100%, but we did put the bed and the mattress in, and we decided that we wanted to get out and take a trip. And going back to the reason I timestamped this thing is because we are at the Cracker Barrel in Murfreesboro, and usually when any light come on, my eyes open up and I'm up, and I'm just getting out of the bed at 10 o'clock in the morning. So that tell you that the van slept really well last night. So we decided to do a kind of a day trip, overnight trip to come here just to experience the van, and then we wanted to come to Nashville anyway. We like to eat, so we're gonna go get something to eat, and then we try to map out kind of our trip, what we're going on, that we wanted to ride the motorcycle here too. But anyway, we're here in our van, and I kind of struggled a little bit with the name because a few names came to her, but she slept very well last night. It darked out, and one of my concerns was that we pulled into a Cracker Barrel. We pulled in a couple of places, but the light was, was still bright out, and the lights was in the parking lot. I was like, we're not gonna be able to sleep. It's gonna be light. I can't sleep. So we ended up pulling this one. It was there's still a lot of light. They're like, we'll try. Man, we closed them blackout curtains in here. Couldn't see a thing. Turned the lights on, but we here. What is this over here? Cracker Barrel. We're gonna go in and patronize them as we should, and then finish our journey up to Nashville. Deuces family, peace, we love you. Let's go back and do that thing that we're supposed to do and ask you to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff to the channel. It helps the channel, and we're gonna continue to bring you some content. We love you. Deuces.
We out.